Okay, hello everyone. I have this impact driver. I have tuned the brushes for it and it has a slight problem. Normally it works until you not press the button down. It's wobble a little bit and seems to have the block contact, bad contact. So okay, taking the switch out, and you can see how it wobbles here, and seems that yeah, just wobble on the AC and not pressing the everything down. So we switch, but I have it from the other drill that was not worth of repair, so it will be the lower price for the true owner to repair it, because I have replaced the used part. And now just getting the black wire up of the switch, and the red will go on the bottom. Okay, got the main wires. Now we have the battery terminal and controller. Disconnecting the controller. You can see that it's a battery terminal left, and yep, the black is minus, the red is positive, and the yellow is for battery control. Okay, now we have the red one, so it's a positive. The yellow one for the battery. Okay, we need pliers. Got it in, and the black for the negative, getting everything in places. Making sure that the wires are in place. Our plastic piece that goes here. I will not damage the wires. The filter in place, holder in place. Now we can close it. Okay, double checking the brushes. And now it's time to test our reset switch. Working, pressing like the old one on the bottom, or okay, works, so that's nice. The tool is working back again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos to see weekly new videos about power tools repair. For now, bye.